Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here. Welcome back to video number 18 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. Super excited for this one, although this might not be, there might not be that much content in this video because there is a possibility I might be doing an open to close, which I'm really hoping that's not the case. However, I guess you just never know with the job or something like that. So yeah, things didn't change like last minute, which is kind of a bummer, and it's just like, I guess that's kind of like part of like what motivates me to really make this thing work because, yeah, I don't want to be doing this long term where it's like I constantly have to be, you know, um, like always on standby, during off days. It's just like, I don't know. I feel like it after a while it just gets kind of sickening after a while. So it's just like that's part of why I decided to start the series. So I could, of course, really put my all into this. You could, of course, watch me do that, and then I could, of course, go full time in the business, right? So, anyways, yeah, I don't really have that much. I don't really have anything on my to-do-list as of right now, but I'll be sure to create an agenda if I, of course, am able to get off around like 3-ish or whatever time it is. But anyways, take care and see you in a bit, possibly. How's it going? It's Arie here, and I am back with some exciting news. Luckily, I did not have to do an open to close to get today, which I'm just super happy about. Someone did, of course, come in, and I was able to, of course, go home at my regular scheduled time. So that was super exciting. But what's even more exciting is I have quite an insane update to share with you regarding this program and also just business in general, right? And I'm just completely blown away by what's been going on throughout the entire day that I was at work, and I want to show you exactly what's been going on these past few hours. So I'll just say this: I seriously feel like I'm onto something right now. I feel like this is the part where things are really going to take off in in the upward direction, and I just feel like this is the exact moment where I go from making making fairly decent sales here and there, getting them fairly somewhat sporadically, somewhat consistent, to getting them on a daily basis. I feel like this right here is the part where it gets to a daily point, and I'm like speechless almost. But anyways, I just want to I'm not going to talk too much longer. I just want to show you exactly what happened. So check this out. So it's currently 3:51 p.m. and check this out. I got 76 leads today. 76 leads. And can you guess where these came from? These came mostly from TikTok. So, today while I was at work, I was getting a whole bunch of notifications on my phone from people liking my videos, commenting, asking for more info. And so as you can see right here, this video I posted less than a day ago already has almost 6,000 views. This one crossed over 1,000 views. This one 2.5K, 5.4K. And so I've had a bunch of videos that just recently started, of course, getting lots of traction. This one almost has 3,000 views right here. And as you can see, like I didn't even post any videos today so far because I was at work and I didn't really have much in my drafts folder. But this right here, just super exciting to see. And of course, on top of all of this, on top of the 76 leads, I got two front-end sales, as you can see right here. One is from 11:20 a.m., so $20 commission. And then the second one that came in was from 12:58 p.m., as you can see right there, right? Both $20 commission. So far today I made 40 bucks, and if I can get, for example, 3 more today, that right there would be the threshold of $100 in a single day, right? So I feel like if I could do this consistently, so getting over 50 leads consistently, maybe even up to 100, getting that consistently, getting some front end sales, and on top of that, also working with the leads that have already been in here, throughout the, in the past, and following up consistently. I know for a fact with this alone, this right here is what will get me to full-time income online. I have no doubt in my mind that this is definitely going to lead me there. And who knows, if I can get 200 leads in a single day, that would be even more crazy. So yeah, things are definitely looking really good so far, but without further ado, I want to go ahead and create my agenda for today. And yeah, we'll basically just dive further into today. So right off the bat, today is looking really amazing, and I'm just super pumped about, more stuff that'll, of course, be coming later on today. So anyways, take care and see you in a bit. All right, so I don't even know how to say this. Like, I haven't been able to film as much today because I got a little distracted in like something, but um, yeah, I posted a couple TikTok videos. I didn't really film that many today, but I'm like speechless right now because it's like I seriously, I literally just hit my, I, li- I, li- I literally just hit my target for today. I had 6 sales come in, and the videos got like almost 8,000 views, and I got like more than 100. You know, hold on, let me just show this real quick. So check this out. I literally, it's like 10 p.m. right now as I'm filming this. I went from like, look at this, 2 leads, 13, and then 19, 30, 24, and then check this out, up to 117 leads just from today alone. 117 leads, and I made 6 sales. I want to show you exactly what came in so far. So if we go over to my Yahoo Mail, looks like one of the commission emails didn't come through for some reason. But anyway, so you see 20, 20, 20, 20. That's 80 so far. And I wanna try and like hide the, information here actually. So if we go over here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales that came in at the $20 level. So this is $100 that you see right here. And then I want to go back to my email real quick, and I want to simply erase this. And there was another, if I go back to inbox real quick, let's see, Cash App. So I got another commission for $25, as you can see right here. And this is from the second income stream, which is Easy 1-Up. So this right here, if you add this up, 25 plus the 5 sales that you see right here, this equals up to $125 that I made just today alone. And this is just insane considering like yesterday, I think I had like one sale that came in yesterday right after I finished recording that I kind of forgot to mention. So I made like $20 like late last night. I wasn't able to, of course, put that in here. But this is just insane. Like, I literally went from I had this. Okay, so, I have my gold cards here, right? And I specifically said that, my goal. I guess like on this gold card, I said that I can inspire 10 new people to start their own online business implying that I get 10 new sales a day. But in the very first video of this series, before I started, I specifically said 5 sales per day will get me to $100 minimum. And if I could do that consistently over the course of 30 days, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months consistently, that would be enough for me to quit my job. So considering that the amount of leads that I've been getting as of right now from, the actions that I took with TikTok and also with Traffic Authority, I'm seriously, honestly, I'm seriously, I feel like quitting right now. I feel like just walking in there tomorrow with my phone and being like, hey, I quit. I swear, this is like my real reaction. Like when I get like these notifications when they all just came piling in like that today. I was literally just like, going just insane. It was just like, and what was also interesting about this, right, is like, I right when I hit like $80 or something, right, I start like writing like a post in the Facebook group, and like I'm like saying like I'm so close to hitting my income goal, I'm so close, it'll probably happen like but before the end. And then as I'm writing this post, then that fifth $20 commission came in. I'm like, yo, like what? So I was like, I don't know, like, anyways, yeah, so I'm just honestly, like, I'm super grateful for what's been happening so far in the series. And if I'm really like trying to think of like what to say, I can't speak. I literally cannot speak right now. Just like this, you're experiencing like my real genuine reaction to this, and just like, I don't know, like, it's insane. But anyways, I'm trying to think of like what else for today. I'm gonna cut it off here, and I'm gonna see if I can think of something else to add on this episode. I still got like over an hour left to film, so if I can come up with something else, I'll of course add it on here. Otherwise, I'll probably just end it off for tonight. So anyways, take care for now, and possibly see you in a little bit. Alright, so I decided to kind of just end the day off there. Today went by very good in terms of both leads, sales, just the crazy amount of views I've been getting on TikTok, the crazy amount of engagement, and the amount of comments I've been getting, and just insane and all that. Just yeah, crazy stuff. But anyways, yeah. So I figured I would, of course, just end the day there, and I will pick it back up in tomorrow's episode. And yeah, so I'll just pick it up from there, and I'm just super excited to see exactly where this series goes, and of course what happens in the upcoming videos. I'm just, yeah, super pumped for that. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you haven't already done so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, so this way you can be notified of all future videos I upload on this channel. Anyways, with that being said, hope you enjoyed. Take care, and see you in the next one.